Vaheguru Ji Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Fateh. I would like to inform the international fraternity that Global Midas has launched its own cryptocurrency with a value of 1000 CR. So this cryptocurrency is now available internationally for anyone to participate in the Indian growth story of wellness. In this, we are undertaking a 1000 crore project in the state of Uttarakhand, which has been announced by the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. This will be a holistic wellness city in which there will be therapies. Along with it, there will be a production of herbal and Ayush products. Along with this, there will be treatments. So this flagship project is now coming up in the state of Uttarakhand, and also our operating partner, which is Arihant Hospital, an established brand in the fraternity of Uttarakhand. So their extension of the current hospital with an investment of around 150 crores is coming up. So in this, both in the form of equity and debt, anyone in India or internationally can participate. For this, you can buy our crypto, and the investment will go into the project in the form of equity and debt. So one place you will get a return on your investments in the form of equity and debt, the way you have invested. On the other side, this crypto will be listed in a period of 3 to 4 months. Then the upside of the crypto will also be an additional return for you. Also, in order to support these activities and participate as an investor in these projects, you can also give us any crypto worldwide, which we can then monetize, and then the investment in the form of equity and debt can be made available for these projects. So this is a wonderful opportunity to participate in the Indian wellness holistic healthcare sector, and this is the most premium project which is coming up in the state of Uttarakhand and has been announced in the last Uttarakhand investor meet, and one of the biggest in the state of Uttarakhand in the field of wellness. So an opportunity for Indian and international investors, both institutional and retail, to participate in these projects and get a healthy return with a secured return, and alternatively take advantage of the crypto which has been offered worth 1000 CR and is available right now, and the upside potential of it. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.